Hi, it's Leanne from Foodie Digital, and in this short, quick video tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a recipe in Create by Mediavine. You can see we are in the back end of WordPress, and this video tutorial makes the assumption that you have the plugin already installed. Okay, before we dive into the card itself, I'd like to call out a few key configuration features that are very important for food bloggers. So you can see we're in Create Cards, Settings, and on the Display tab. At the bottom of the Display tab is where you'll find the card styles available to you in Create. For the purpose of this video tutorial, I'm using Hero Image. On the Advanced tab, you're going to want to go through each one of these in detail, but there are three in particular I'd like to draw your attention to. You want to enable autosave. You absolutely want to allow reviews of your recipes, and we encourage you to enable a review pop-up. Users leaving a star rating will see a pop-up prompting them to leave an optional review. Reviews and star ratings are very important and effective for food blog SEO. All right, let's dive in. I'm going to go to All, Create Cards, and you can see for the purposes of this video tutorial, I have pre-populated a recipe card. We are using the simple vegan cookies from the lovely and talented Minimalist Baker. So let's click in. And you can see it's a contemporary looking user interface that is broken down into two primary columns. The column on the left, we have recipe information and a few other blocks. And in the column on the right, we have preview. Preview is very helpful because it allows you to see as you go what the end user is going to see when they look at your recipe card. Okay, I'm not going to go through each and every field in Create because some of them are quite obvious, but there are a few that I'd like to call food bloggers' attention to. First off is yield. In the hero theme, you can see how yield is treated as an overlay on the featured image. That's a nice detail. Scrolling down to the ingredients block, you have the ability to add ingredients in bulk or in detail. In detailed view, you can also add an ingredient link, and you have the ability to tag a link as no follow for compliance purposes. Again, very important for food blog SEO. Scroll further down to the instructions block. You have the ability to add a list, heading, and paragraph so that you can format your instructions for readability. Adding headings in particular is very helpful for the mobile experience. And this handy optimize button is a very nice little time-saving feature too. Moving along down to the video block, this is very unique to Create. Here you have the ability to display or hide a video. For food bloggers that put a lot of time and effort into creating recipe videos, you don't want them buried in your recipe card at the bottom of the post. We hear this from a lot of food bloggers. This way, you can include the recipe video in the recipe card to get the benefit of the video structured data. But if you hide the video, you can also publish that same video higher up in the post. This way, it is not showing up twice in a single recipe post. Including your video higher up in the post is a nice little tactic to help boost dwell time on the page, which is, again, good for SEO. Scrolling further down, we've got the recommended products block. So you have the ability to add a new product, or you can choose from an existing product in the library. This library is custom to you, of course, and then you can include a product URL, and what happens is the product image auto-populates. Again, nice little time-saving feature. Nutrition information can automatically be calculated based off of number of servings. We have the standard SEO and social media fields that we find in all recipe card plugins. And in Create, in the utilities block, you're going to want to use schema. Another little handy feature is the ability to validate the schema right away in the recipe card to ensure you haven't overlooked any detail. You can preview the recipe to see what the end user sees. And there is also the ability to add custom fields, such as a custom nutrition disclaimer and custom affiliate message. So Create is a very future-forward recipe card plugin. We're big fans of it at Foodie Digital. We are not an affiliate of Create or Mediavine. We're just we like strong product. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have found this video tutorial very helpful.